Hey everyone, it's Shane Perry here. I just wanted to make a quick video on our newest page on our website, which is the content creation page. And in this video, I just want to talk through a little bit about what you can find on this page and how it's helpful for you. But basically, there's a lot of businesses here in Hawaii that are looking for content for their business, and it could be anything from tourism to services, like home services or professional shots. And so there's a lot of things that we're trying to fulfill here for marketing, but one of the core pieces that are missing for a lot of businesses here in Hawaii is professional content like video and photos. And mainly the reason why I wanted to make this page as well is because lots of businesses don't actually know that we offer this. And a lot of people rely on AI to actually make their content, which is not going to help them get found more. It'll probably be helpful with content on your website, like visual content, but it's not going to help brand your business more when people can tell that something's made with AI or something looks completely out of place like your AI. And so that's kind of where we come in. We will actually come in and do highlight videos, highlight reels. There's a lot of things that we can create from content. And so I just want to talk you through a little bit about this page and what you can find on here and just give a little bit more details. So up on the front, you can see that the core two things that we provide in content creation is videography and photography. And yes, we do websites and all of that, but this is the main content piece I think that a lot of businesses are missing out on because this is kind of where everything flows. Like once you get your videos, once you get your photos, you can start posting to social media, you can start building a website, you can start running ads. But if you don't have content, then you're not really able to do a lot of that stuff. You have to rely on stock images and AI generated photos, which aren't super branded at all. And so they are getting better in a sense where you can use logos and upload that with AI and create branded assets, but they don't look as real, especially when you live out here in Hawaii and you're trying to capture something like out in the wilderness or out at your office, which has a specific type of background. Those types of content pieces can't really work, and so we're just trying to provide that specific service for local businesses that aren't really able to do that, and they don't want to hire a team from the mainland to basically come in and do all of that for them because that can get really expensive as well. So we're a local marketing agency. We offer everything from SEO to advertising to social media management. But I think one of the main things that we would love to start working on is content creation for businesses because that seems like to be a really big hole that a lot of companies don't think about. And then when it comes to content creation, they don't even know where to start, like what videos they should be making or what kind of photography should be taking for their products. And so that's basically where we come in. We don't just serve Maui. We're based in Maui, but we also have flown to Oahu. We've been to Kauai to create content. We haven't been to Big Island yet, but we're happy to fly there if any businesses need us to fly there to create some content. Um, but yeah, as far as like going to Lanai or Molokai, we've created content on there as well. Um, if you scroll down on this page, I just kind of want to go over this page real quick on what you can find. So basically, there's a couple. This section right here is just telling you that like what we're trying to create is that we're trying to do more than photos and videos. We're not just trying to capture those types of things. We're trying to create the content with a purpose. And which we go beyond just like, hey, we're just going to film something like on an iPhone. We shoot very high quality videos, up to 6K videos, 120 frames per second. We have a drone license pilot. We also have um, a couple of different photographers. And the reason why we have a bunch of a team to do this is because we're professionals in everything that we catch. So if it's either photos or videos or like even editing, we have an editor as well. Um, but all of those things are meant to create your content with a purpose. You know, it's not supposed to be just like filming a video and then, you know, that's it. It's like, okay, what is the purpose of us filming the specific service? Like, what are your goals as far as marketing goes? And then we take that into account as we're creating. So if you click on any of these, there'll be a couple different pop-ups that show highlight reels that we've created. They're videos for YouTube or videos for social media. There's a couple different options here you can do. If you're ready to get a quote, you know, like on what we can provide you, all of our packages are very custom. We have like a basic package, but if you want to customize, like, hey, we need a day shoot or we need 4 hours to shoot all of this content, then we can totally work with you on that. Down here is just a little bit of photos of like recent content pieces we've been creating. So this is of a hotel up in Napili, and then this is a local brand, a painting brand. This is for a local motorsports type of company here. This one was specifically for a wedding venue, and then this other photo is an event upcountry. And so there's a few things that is included. You know, if you go down to the very bottom, there's a ton of things you can go over, from commercial and ad creatives, you know, testimonials, event coverage. We've basically done it all. One of the biggest jobs that we had was actually companies flying in from the mainland and staying at a hotel. And then we basically come in as a team and film their whole trip and make highlight videos for them so that they can use it either on their next year promotion for sales or their promotion that night when they're having dinner at a restaurant. All these reels and these videos and these photos, they use it for their marketing. And so we can also, that's something I think a lot of companies that are coming to Maui are looking for. They're looking for people to hire so that they can cover their event as they're on island. And we can totally do that. We could also fly to other islands as well and do that because we have done it in the past. And so that's as far as like video goes, photos. There's a section in here that I really just wanted to cover, which is like content planning. There's also formatting, because we're not just formatting for like long form videos on a website or like on YouTube, but we can also format it for, you know, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, like all of that kind of formatting. And then there's also if you're wanting ongoing content support, what that basically is we can actually just come in every month if you want us to capture something every single month, and you're like, hey, I just want a team that will basically go out and almost hands off, like know what they need to capture, plan it all out, and then have a day or two of capturing content every month. We're totally open to that. We actually do that for a couple of businesses already here on Maui, and would love to do that more with businesses across the Hawaiian Islands. So if that's something that you're like, hey, I would love for these guys to shoot content for us all the time, and so we can use it either for social media or for a website. How this is going to actually help a lot of companies in the future is AI is relying on new content, and they actually promote businesses that are active as they're creating new content. And so something I've been running into a lot has been businesses saying like, hey, we create blog posts. And then I ask them, you know, how do you create the blog posts? And they're like, oh, we use AI. I'm like, that's great. You can use AI to create it. But as long as the content is new and it's different from your competitors, that's actually what AI is looking for when you show up in search results. So if you're looking to like up your game in SEO, you need better content, and you need branded content that's always being refreshed. And that's kind of what the ongoing content support is for. There's also like scheduling software if you need help scheduling things out. We have social media managers that can help you schedule all your content out as soon as we get it. But yeah, again, this is not just for corporate businesses. This is mainly for local, small to medium-sized businesses. we really specialize in like tourism, like hospitality. We've also done real estate and retail. But yeah, the things that we're shooting every month is really a lot of tourism and hospitality based businesses, and then also service based companies. And so if that's you, if you're a local business owner and you need help, maybe not with your full blown marketing, but you're like, hey, yeah, I do need content, like professional content that is showing the work, the quality in the work that we do and the service. Make sure to reach out, get a quote. You can, if you click on that button, it'll take you to the contact page, which super easy to fill out. Just put in your email, your name, your company name, how we can help, and then how you heard about us, which is helpful for us. But yeah, I didn't want to stretch this video too long, so hopefully that was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.